right, Ryan, you ready?
Yeah.
I think we're probably good to go.
Okay.
Push it in.
3, 2, 1.
You first push it in and get ready.
And, oh, wait, it's playing now?
It's playing right now, yeah. Okay. All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wow, that went straight up.
Oh, I can't
Now
see
it's
it.
caught in the sun. It's coming straight down over there by the road. Hope it doesn't damage. Oh, that looked like a hard landing. All right, come on, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, that destroyed the fins. Look at that. That was a hard landing. All right,
That's
so
the bad thing about fins with a lot of surface.
that, yeah, that's right. That's the bad thing about fins with a lot of
Hey,
surface
at
area.
least I traced it
far
with the
away.
Sharpie marker, so now I know where to put them back.
We could try it again. We do have crazy glue,
Yeah.
and it's important to have 2 data points. All right, let's crazy glue these fins back on, and then we'll launch the other ones while they're drying. Okay.